Discover the secret to perfectly styled homes with our personalized interior design tips. Make every space change. So hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I will show you guys step by step how you can get started from scratch on Wix and build your own professional website. Let's get into it. So the first thing that you have to do is open your browser and dive into wix.com. So this is the homepage. As you can see, we have here various information, but before, let's know what is Wix. Wix is a cloud-based website development platform that allows users to create and design websites using a drag and drop interface. It offers a range of customizable templates, design tools, and features to help individuals and businesses build professional-looking websites without needing advanced coding skills. So if you scroll down, you have here various information as you can see, but let's know how you can get started and create a website for free. So follow these 6 simple steps to create a website today. So the first one is choose a platform, sign up for a secure, reliable and powerful website builder. Then we have the second one, it's start creating, choose from over than 900 fully functional templates or use the EA website builder. Then we have the third step, it's customize your website. Use the drag and drop editor and tailor your site to fit your brand. Then we have the fourth step is optimize your research engines. Increase your site's visibility with a suite of built-in SEO tools. Then we have publish your website, register and connect a custom domain name and go live. And then we have the last step is promote and drive traffic. Use built-in marketing tools to grow and expand your reach. So once you do that, you have just right now to click over get started, and then you write your personal email here and you confirm also here your email again. As you can see, then you write your password here, then you confirm your password again, then you click over sign up. So once you do that, you'll find this page, which here we have let's get started. What are you creating a website for? So we have here for myself, my business or a friend, and then we have here for a client, an influencer or an agency. So I'll choose the first one and then we'll click over continue. And then once you do that, you'll find here bring your ideas to life with EA. Tell us about the site you are creating and get a personalized dashboard with everything you need to manage. So we have here start chat, as you can see. Then you click over and chat and continue. And here we have what type of website you want to create. So for example, online store, and I will click over continue. And we have here tell us about your online store. I will use EA to tailor your setup journey, recommend tools and personalized content for your website. We have what is it's called, and here we have on site our business name. For example, and I will click over continue. Then we have here what are your goals for this site. We selected this based on your answers at any other others you'd like. So we have sell products here, and then we click over continue. Then we have here how can I will help you sell. Choose below and we will make sure you have the right tools. So we have here important existing store to Wix, find drop shipping also, and other things. Then we click over finish. Once you do that, you have to prepare a dashboard for C# Shop, install apps based your code, and create. So, waiting for your dashboard. So let's wait. And this is the dashboard, as you can see. Welcome to your dashboard. You have here various information, like here we have let's set up your store, continue the site setup. You are on your way to building a successful site. Then we have here setup, home, getting paid, sales, catalog, apps, sites, and mobile. And also we have here let's set up your store. So you click over design site and you will find here how would you like to design your website. The first one we have the generate a design with EA, get a personalized site design in seconds. You have your customize a template, browse thousands of designs, then pick one to customize. So I will click over generate a design. As you can see, you have here how it looks. And then you click over continue with this design. And we have here complete this site with your own domain. Give your site a more professional look with a branded domain name. So you click over let's go here. And we have your add elements, add section, pages and menu, and we have your site design, add apps, my business, media, CMS. So Wix offers several benefits for website creation, including its intuitive drag and drop interface that allows users to design and customize websites easily without coding knowledge. It provides a wide range of templates and design tools, enabling users to create professional looking sites tailored to their needs. Additionally, Wix includes built-in features such as SEO tools, e-commerce capabilities, and mobile optimization, making it a comprehensive solution for both personal and business websites. Its flexibility and ease of use make it an appealing choice for those looking to establish a strong online presence quickly. So, in summary, Wix is a versatile and user-friendly platform that simplifies website creation with its drag and drop functionality and extensive design options, making it accessible for users with varying levels of technical expertise. So you can also read this information in the home page, and that's it how you can get started with Wix and add your first product here. And this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.